ni suwenga pa sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko narum chaksoa anga Hllso sangma nasimang na dali khoburang ko parakatenga khachabi chongrang adongni cabinet rang medical skill Hunar hub ko Rikatna namna kira chaka war jaintia o tourism ko bariatna gata sorok ko thari dapata kencha kanigri aro chol joki ongna gata yodo o CCTV camera thatteka nongal bibra o Mechik Saksa karen Sal.E Sianga chugumukpa khoborang yajani kholachi thari ko adongni cabinet meeting watanyo wamang medical Hunar hub ko Rikatna namna kira chake thangkha gong crore chasa sotpunga sa ko chamata ha je ko Ministry of Minority Affairs India Sorkari nigita jakhura enga anis khotong Minister Shri Conrad ke sangma khoburaga parang na pharakatanga ha ye medical skill Hunar hub mandirang na dengthang mancha changgapa medical support ko gumuk jolna ongen je nurse rangko counselor or technician rangko munggapan chanchir gumani ko ya meeting o judiciary or executive ko ado gumuk ko district or subdivision level o dengthang Rikatna chanchir gumani ko dakanga
medical skill for paramedical staff, a large scale skill center would be set up in West Garo Hills district. And the reason West Garo Hills was selected was because the Minority Affairs, which is funding this particular Hunar hub, only West Garo Hills was the eligible district to get funds under Minority Affairs that time. From 2022, of course, that has changed, and now all districts can get funds for Minority Affairs. So for this particular project, which was initiated in 2020, we had proposed 282 crores for this. But after certain adjustments and certain changes that were made in the proposal, the Government of India, Minority Affairs, has sanctioned 151 crores for this, 151.95. And out of this, 90-10 is the ratio. So 10% will be borne by the Government of Meghalaya, and rest 130 plus 35 crores will be given by Government of India.
Ye jani kholachi thari ko Home Minister Lakman Rumboi gatal soro khudem grimoni khudeng thmayona thari tapatna gata foundation phatao tourism department ni director Cyril VD dengdo BP Mark IAS chief engineer PWD ni tongpa anyo dakanga yo function ko public works department ba PWD ni gata khudeng grim football ground no dakanga yo sulurok kilometer bonga point chibri ko thariatna new development bank NDB nigata thanga crore isni point soto katham kodak chakata jen Meghalaya ecotourism infrastructure development project METIDP ni ningogapao nga Home Minister Lakman Rumboi ni agananyo wasongi mandirang ko wamang ni ko jaksramyon paani na matelan kata ko agana nga arya chi sorok thari dapatan ni muksunga ni rangko agana nga ya sorok ko nambate shnang pedengoni amko yona nangremat na jeda ko de asong ni na ribagpa ya jolo na bariata gata muksunga ane Home Minister Lakman Rumboi pharakatanga tourism ni director Cyril VD dingdo ba yap rang namen ni thokpo nga ar banga biap ni na rigaparang ko salgen ini agana nga ha Shri BP Mark ni rimchakso khatarang ko agan matungo waya project ni gamanthali agana nga ha ya sorok kilometer bonga point chibri song khongla nongbare amkhoi aru khudem grim ko nangrematken ini agana nga ha aru sepang batkapa CHC nongthalang o dunggapa college aru dawki mang Shillong ni bazar chagapa ona sepang batkinok ini agan tapang khuwa ha Milliam CM ship ni dorbar pa aina manik CM ni delanyo wayodo babara bazar jol gumko CCTV camera chatek na mani ko parakatanga ha jilmani biapo khenchakani gri aro chol joki ongna managata wani CCTV camera chatek na mani ko agana nga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ni Chief Executive Member Titus Starwell Chen Srimati Grace Kharpuri EM Arpa aina manik sim ya CCTV camera ni kham abachinga ni opraka ni ko yodo o dakanga ya camera rangko chatteka chi mandirang na namgani unga aru chao gaparang halakha gaparang dakr gaparang aru habi jabi tak gaparang ko baka na manginok ni wamang agana nga ha sim ship ni bilgnang gaparang pay system ko nang chomot kapa somay ba obosta rangna aru uyat na gata abachingata South Garo Hills District Nongal Bibra NGO ni Dalgaparang FKJGP aru GSU rang Bakmara Deputy Commissioner na Srimati Surita N Sangma Jen Shri Albinson ni Mechik unga Jen Karen Sal.E Sianga Karen ko galchape name simsa kija dona ni gaman South Garo Hills District Subdivision ni Feedback Energy Distribution Company FEDCO ni Assistant Manager ni khosa ko complain kha Complain khao agala ni gata de ya current line chisa kilowatt rakpa tension line ongachem jenrama sam sko khosak mang dingdea arya current line mandirang na aro jelani rang na khengni onga NGO ni dilga parang DC ko yani gamani rok sandia ni ko dakna aga nga aro FEDCO company ni kham tangko na me khagija mandirang ni jangina khengni ko nani na niro kachina aga nga
NGO sang nonga bidrani jekai Garo student ni nonga bidrani ni Federation for Khasi Chantia Garo people nonga bidra circle nonga bidra Madras Union GSU Shidi regional unit ndaki Vietnam skinga somatan batang mensal somai namo yajani cicer tariko chungi nongba nangba saksa kare nangi siapo manaha yani bidumo chunga South Wales ni dishna chunga complaint letter ko chunga sidor tacham niba dauna ba mamu response tongja administration ni kita uni mun chunga daloni student demonstration ko chunga apa chunga tinga ya student demonstration ko daw salganina kun chunga jojo takangge ya yani zaman ba सरकार ini kita administration kita mamu ko chungni agana ko chung khana sabja gin chungode chung office bikin ko kamgen
yan dalna khobronga ni swing basakanti kon methela